Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Zoho CRM with Google Workspace for contact sync. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your Zoho CRM account. Navigate to the settings by clicking on the gear icon in the top right corner. In the settings menu, locate and select Marketplace. In the Marketplace section, find the Google Workspace integration option. Click on Google Workspace to open its settings. Select the option to authenticate your Google Workspace account. Follow the prompts to allow Zoho CRM access to your Google Workspace account. Once authenticated, configure the sync settings as per your needs. Choose which contacts you want to sync between Zoho CRM and Google Workspace. You can select to sync all contacts or only specific groups. Set the sync frequency according to your preference. Finalize the configuration by saving your settings. Next, go to the Contacts section in Zoho CRM to confirm the sync. You should see your Google Workspace contacts reflected within Zoho CRM. To test the sync, add a new contact in Google Workspace. Wait a few moments for the sync to occur. Then, check Zoho CRM to see if the new contact appears. Your Zoho CRM and Google Workspace are now set up for contact synchronization. Enjoy the seamless integration and enhanced productivity. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.